Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna stud some winter tires. So I sold my client some nice hand-picked winter tires that are studdable, and I will be studding them for my client. I believe that my studding is much better quality than factory studding. I've done studs on my client's vehicles, and when I come back to remove the tires at the end of the winter, all the studs are in, and these are made in Finland, Euro grip, really good studs. So to begin, we're gonna go and lubricate every single hole on this tire. So we're just gonna dip our Torx screwdriver in the oil, and then we're gonna lubricate every single hole in this tire all around. Just gonna go through and lubricate every single hole. This will allow the stud to go in and stay in there. It's going to go in all the way, won't stick out. A little bit of a boring process. Each tire takes about 10 minutes to stud, so 40 minutes extra per set on the job. I charge $120, including the studs and the labor for the set. So $120 plus tax on the set. So all the holes have been lubricated. Now we're gonna use the stud gun with a loader. So I load the studs into the barrel, and then I shoot them all into the little stud holes. Load it all up a little bit so they all roll in, and then I stud them one by one, shoot them in. There was no markings on the tire on which stud size to use, so I measured the thread depth. It was 12/32, so I used number 12 studs. So if it doesn't say which studs to use, we measure the thread depth and use the appropriate studs. Load them up into the barrel and keep on studding. I really like studded winter tires. I believe they help with the braking traction and accelerating, overall traction of your winter driving. My whole family is on studded tires. My mom, my wife, my little brother, my mother-in-law. Everybody's got winter tires that are studded. We are in Edmonton, Alberta, the true north, where winters get severe. So studded winter tires give you more traction and safety on our winter roads in the icy conditions. If you don't like the noise, you should go for non-studded, because it will be a little bit noisier. You're going to be like a tank for the first couple thousand kilometers, but it's definitely worth it if you're looking for safety rather than the quietness. Just go one by one, each hole. And that one's sticking out. So this tire, that is all. We're just gonna double check that all the studs are in, as we're not missing any. Gonna roll it slowly and check for missing studs. There's one right here. Yeah, it looks like they're all in. So now we're gonna go ahead and balance this tire. I'm gonna use my weight screwdriver to pop these weights off. So I hit them right on the side that'll break the glue and not scratch the tire or the rim. So we're gonna roll that. I am gonna take a phone call while I'm balancing my tire. Hello, this is Tire B. Unfortunately, today I am fully booked. Thank you, have a good day. So we're 1.25 and the 0.5. Done, all zeros. Now this is gonna go on the vehicle. Finger tight.